Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discussing about a project radiation hardened 0.3 to 0.9 voltage scalable 14T SRAMs and peripheral circuit in 28 nanometer technology for space applications. In here, recent technology of static random access memory is susceptible to the high energy practicals under hash radiation environment with more storage area. It's creating soft error rate in SRAM cells, and it's creating sensitivity with latching, signal event transient and signal event upset. Thus, it's taken more power consumptions and more noise margin. Therefore, this proposed work of radiation hardened of 14T SRAM cell will get a solution to resolve this problem in low power consumptions with a low read noise margin at 0.3 to 0.9 voltage scalable 14T SRAMs, okay, with speed and power optimization. Additionally, this proposed work were designed this static and dynamic decoder integrations with a interleaving stacked 14T SRAMs at 32-bit in 22 nanometer and 60 nanometer CMOS technology with using this input voltage of 0.3 and 0.9 voltage. Finally, this work were designed in Tanner EDA and proved the comparisons in terms of MOSFETs area and power. Here you can verify this abstract. The conventional radiation hardened cell of static random access memory are not robust enough in 28 nanometer technology. Okay, the existing system will designed in 28 nanometer technology, but here we are designed 22 nanometer and 16 nanometer CMOS technology as a proposed with the same voltage and same integrations. Here you can verify this architecture. This is a radiation hardened of 14T SRAM cells. Okay, so in this architectures will given two functionalities. One is a ILS method and another one is a stacked 14T SRAM method. These two methods we are designed in Tanner EDA. Okay, now I'll be see the output. This is a test bench for 14T SRAM ILS method. Okay, so this is the ILS method of architecture. Okay, so here even one by one transistors of PMOS and NMOS, we need to check a polarity of source, gate and drain. Okay, it's a most priority one because this type of configurations will have more trouble to configure here, because the flow of current will going correctly means the SRAM functionality will working correctly. Okay, so otherwise you will lose your outputs. Okay, so now you can verify this is the architecture. Okay, I'll run this architecture at 0.6 voltage. Okay, you can check this output. So this is the output of this SRAM configuration. Here you can verify this is a input data of write line, and this is a read line, and this is the WBL. Okay, here WBL data we will return as a 1 out of 1. Okay, that means 1 bit of write line will be written for 1 and another bit of write line will written for 0. Okay, so depends upon that the read line will project it on RBL. RBL is a read bit line. Okay, so I'll be read the value on here, read write line. Okay, so this read line will project on here. Okay, this is a high voltage because I'm written high voltage on here, and the second read line will project it on low voltage. Okay, so why? Because I'll be written 0 on here. Okay, so in this case we'll be verified this in stacked 14T SRAM also. Okay, so this is the architecture of stacked 14T SRAM. Okay, so now I'll be run this architecture. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, the same configurations, but the RBL will be vary. Okay, why? Because here they are changing the PMOS and NMOS transistor on here with vice versa. Okay, and you can check the power consumptions on this two circuits. Okay, so this is the power report. Okay, now you can check on here the power consumptions will take 2.499 e power minus 5 and stacked for 1.6684 4 5 e power minus 5. Here approximately the power will reduced on stacked 14T SRAM. Okay, so this configurations will be integrated with the proposed two design. One is for SRAM 32-bit. Okay, so this is a SRAM 32-bit structures, and this is a stacked SRAM 32-bit structures. Okay, these two methods will be integrated in decoder SRAM. Okay, this is a decoder SRAM architecture. So this is a decoder architecture. Okay, so this decoder architectures will integrated for 5:13 2. Okay, so here A0, A1, A2 and A3, A4. Okay, so totally 5-bit, and here this is the output. Okay, so D0 to D7, D8 to D15 and D16 to D23 and D24 to D32. Totally 5x32 decoder architectures will be designed using AND gate architecture. Okay, and this is a SRAM configurations. Okay, here each cell will be integrated. Okay, so I'll execute one of the decoder SRAM ILS method. Okay, so this is a decoder ILS method simulation report. Okay, so this is a decoder ILS method, and this is a decoder for stacked method. Okay, and I'll be shown this executions will run on CMOS 16 nanometer technology. Okay, so as per this configurations will be written a comparison chart for this radiation hardened 0.3 to 0.9 voltage. Okay, so here we will be compared ILS 14T transistor stacked and SRAM cells. Okay, stacked 14T SRAMs and ILS 14T SRAM, 32-bit ILS and 32-bit stacked 14T SRAM, and 5:2 decoder for ILS method and 5:2 decoder for stacked 14T SRAM method. Okay, so this is for 22 nanometer comparison. Okay, and this is a 16 nanometer comparison. Okay, so both the things will be drawn on chart. Okay, so you can verify that. Okay, and will be written an abstract document also as a proposed title and abstract enhancement of this project. Okay, and proposed abstract. Okay, existing system, disadvantages, proposed system. Okay, advantages, literature survey, finally references. Thank you.